Esper Mem Review 2025. Is it the best choice for device management? Managing devices in 2025 can be a nightmare, but Esper Mem aims to simplify it. Most people get this wrong by assuming all MEM platforms are similar, but Esper focuses on Android device management with cloud-based control. Step 1. Set up your fleet of devices through the Esper console. You won't believe what happens next. Deployment can be fully automated, allowing mass updates, app installs and policy enforcement in minutes. Step 2. Monitor and troubleshoot devices remotely. Esper provides real-time analytics, remote debugging and crash reporting. This is ideal for businesses with multiple locations or mobile workforces. Step 3. Customize policies and security settings. Unlike generic MEM tools, Esper lets you create highly granular rules for apps, network access and permissions. Pricing is subscription-based, with tiered options depending on fleet size. The surprising truth is that its automation and AI-driven monitoring significantly reduces workload, making it ideal for growing businesses. So, is Esper M&M the best choice? If you manage Android devices and need scalable, hands-off administration, it's a strong contender. For mixed device environments, you may need additional tools.